Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called word without first character. So it says create a function that takes a word and returns the new word without it including the first character. So as you can see, the function new word, you got the word apple, string apple, and now we're just gonna take the word without the first letter and just get full, PPLE. Cherry, get rid of the C, so just like as you can see, Harry, and then plum without the P, lum. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the code tab. As you can see, got a function string, so we're going to be returning a string. And inside, the argument is a string called str, so short for string. So first, what are we going to do? How are we going to make a new word? So we need another string to put that new word in. So since we're doing that, it's a new string, short for that. And that's where we're going to initialize the new string that we're going to add. We're going to add the letters from the string that was given to the new string. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to do a for loop. And usually we would like to start when we're using an array or a string. We'll start at index 0, so we can access that first element. But we don't want to access the first element in this scenario because we don't want the first letter, and the first letter is in the first element of the word of the string. So what we're going to do is instead of starting it at 0, we're going to start it at 1, which is the following index, and we're going to access the second element. And we're going to access every single element. So we have to go through every single index all the way until the end of the string length. So since we're using a string, we can use length. You can use size in C++, but this just pertains to C++ to using a size for a string. And then we're going to go through every single one. So again, this for loop means we're going to start at index 1 to access the first element. And we're going to go through every single index until right before, so the string length, let's say is, what is this, 5. We're going to go to 4. This one's going to hit all the way to 4 because string length is 5. So we got to go to index that is less than. It is not less than and equal to, so it's just less than, so it's going to go to 4. And this right here, this operator makes us go to the next following index throughout the for loop after we go through an index and we get the element and we get the character from the string and we add it into our new string. So our new string, we're going to add it by doing the way we're going to access it again. We're going to access it using the string name and the index I, and that's what we should be able to add all the different characters by going through all the elements, and then we're just going to return new string. And let's see, and as you can see, it passed all the tests. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding solutions. Thank you.